got everybody in my bed with me. It's foster kitty Gunner with my kitty, the Gizmo, which you can't see. He's in there. Gizmo. Gizmo. His green tattoo from his neuter. But Gunner is finally better. So him and his two sisters get to go to SPCA in a few days, finally. And I know Gunner is gonna miss Gizmo. They were best buds. And there's Buddha Bear. The bear. Buddha. Buddha Bear. They're always curling up together like this. But before, and normally, Gizmo and Buddha are cuddling. But as you can see, if this little guy doesn't get out of here fast, he's got some cojones. He got cojones. Uh-oh. Oh, he's nursing. Gunner. Gunner, Gunner, Gunner. Gizmo. Gunner. Buddha. Gunner. Gizmo. Gunner. Lyra. Oh, nope, that's Venus. Hi, Venus. That's the sister. She gets to go to SPCA. And she gets to have her new forever home. She's a goofy girl. Miss Venus. You're never in here. Aw, everybody's piling on me. Got 4 cats on my freaking queen-size bed here. Say hi, beauty girl. Okay, bye. Say bye. And the bear.